Have you been wondering what the best juicer is that you can buy on Amazon to juice all of your fruits and vegetables? Well, let me tell you, the Omega NC800 is the best juicer in my opinion. It's my personal favorite, and I'm gonna share with you my top 5 benefits. The NC800 is actually the same juicer as the NC900. The only difference is that the NC900 has a chrome color. Other than that, they are the same juicer. I will share a link to both the NC800 and the NC900 so you can purchase either color with my affiliate link in the description below. Benefit number 1. This juicer is really fantastic because it's going to give you some of the most nutrients out of your juice. And that is because this juicer is a slow masticating juicer. And what that means is that there will be less air getting into the mix of your juice as it rotates. By the way, this motor goes at 80 RPM, so that's really nice and slow. And that will give you a really high quality juice with minimal foaming and the most nutrition you can get. The second benefit of the NC800 and the NC900 is that it is a horizontal style juicer. It actually rotates on a horizontal axis. This juicer, because it is horizontal, you actually don't need to cut up your produce as much. It can actually tolerate when you just juice a straight celery stalk or a straight piece of kale. So it actually takes a little bit less time to prepare your produce in order to run it through this juicer. And I am not one to really love chopping and all of that preparation, so this actually saves me some time. So while with the vertical juicers that can juice a little bit more volume at once, you have to chop up your things a little bit more. So it's not necessarily going to save you time just because those juicers can juice more volume. By the way, if you are new to juicing and you are trying to establish a new juicing habit, then be sure to join me in my 21-day morning juice boost challenge for a healthy 2021. When you sign up, you automatically get a free success tracker to make sure that you are staying on track and also to check in with how you are feeling in your mind, body, and spirit. Benefit number 3, it has a small juicer screen, so that makes it really easy to clean. It takes a couple of minutes at most to clean this entire juicer. And it comes with this nice little brush, and this brush is really nice to clean the screen. The vertical juicers come with a much larger screen. They're usually about 5 times bigger than that one, so they take a little bit longer to clean. So if you're not the kind of person that likes to clean, and I'm not either, then this is the juicer for you. Benefit number 4. I also find this juicer really easy to put together and to take apart. The NC800 can be put together in 5 parts, 6 if you count the pusher or the tamper, 7 or 8 if you count the cups that come with it. But this is the main portion of the juicer. And then there is an auger that goes on the inside. Then there is the juicer screen that goes in next. And then there are 2 parts that you're going to put onto the end. So both of these parts are basically going to put back pressure onto the produce as it's going through so that it will squeeze out the juice from the produce. And benefit number 5, the juicer comes with a really long warranty. So while the NC800 is a little bit more of an expensive juicer compared to some of the other juicers on the market, it is definitely worth the investment. It has a really high build quality and it's got a 15-year warranty, so you can definitely count on it lasting for a really long time. So again, if you are invested in your health and you are invested in juicing and juicing for a long time, this juicer is a really great way to go. Whether you are juicing for your health or juicing for weight loss, I hope this video was informative for you and helpful for you in your buying decision on which juicer you're going to get. I have been using this juicer regularly for the last couple of years and it is still going strong and I've had nothing but good experiences with it. So check out the link in the description below to get yours. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like. That lets YouTube know and it lets me know to make more videos like these. And if you are looking to improve your wellness in your mind, your body, and your spirit, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Ascending with Alana. My name is Alana Vera, and I have had a pleasure sharing this information with you, so I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Isn't this apron adorable? Well, guess what? You can get your own affirmation art apron like this on my Redbubble store. If you check out the description below, I have a link for Ascending with Alana on Redbubble. There you can find all of my affirmation art, not only on aprons, but other things like t-shirts, backpacks, cups, stickers, and so much more. So go ahead and check that out at the description below.